If you're looking for a place with plenty of room to spread out in the historic area of Charleston, then Church Street Inn might be for you. Come along as we show you the location, the lobby, the intimate courtyard, and the large rooms. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense. The Church Street Inn is located in historic Charleston, South Carolina, on the corner of Market and, Church Street. It's in a prime area looking down over the Charleston City Market and only a few blocks from East Bay Street. Charleston can be an expensive place to stay, and this hotel is no different, but we felt we got a lot of bang for our buck here. When you first arrive, park on Church Street near the green awning. From there, you can go unload your bags and go inside to check in. Upon check-in, you can choose to pay for parking through the hotel. I would recommend this as it's the same price as paying at the parking deck, $20 per night, and the hotel will give you this handy card to scan so you have in and out privileges. The parking deck is on the corner of Church and Cumberland, with the entry and exit being on the Cumberland side. The walk back to the hotel is less than a block. The hotel is a 3-story structure. The first floor is the check-in desk, a lounge, which is closed right now due to COVID, and out back is this courtyard between buildings. This would be great for sitting in the summer as it's out of the sun, you have a fountain, and plenty of seating. We actually saw a couple out here one evening having Bloody Marys and snacks they had brought. During our stay, we mostly dealt with Jared, who could not have been more pleasant or helpful. Kudos to him for making us feel extremely welcome. To get to the second floor, you can go up this set of steps. Although beautiful, they are a bit steep. I came down these a few times, but usually we took the elevator to the second floor. Pop in the elevator and we'll head up to our room. All of the rooms are situated on the second floor, with the third floor being the bedrooms for each suite. Let's head inside and we'll show you around. Alright, went off of a electronic key, which they gave us when we checked in. There's actually a half bath downstairs. So you got a toilet, sink. So if you're downstairs doing stuff, you can actually just use the bathroom down here. This would be great for a family. It has a kitchen. Where's the lights for in here? Oh, nope, that's the garbage disposal. I guess the light is out here. Where is the light? Oh, there it is. That's weird. It's the third light switch over for the kitchen. Well. So, you have a 4-burner electric stove with a oven downstairs, microwave. You got all your kitchen utensils. There's plenty of stuff in here to cook with, looks like. Oh yeah, glasses, plates, bowls, all that good stuff. You have a toaster, you got an ice bucket, a coffee maker, stuff for making coffee, stuff for cleaning dishes, and then you have your sink, paper towel holder, and then of course you have a full-sized fridge and freezer. That's always good to have. So what do we have out here? Let's go in the main area. So there are stairs actually that go up to the upstairs. We will actually hit that in a minute. So you have a desk over here with a couple of chairs so you can sit back, read. You can get on your computer there if you need to. There's a big credenza here, cable box, a television. I bet you in here, yep, there is all the stuff you need to make up the sofa bed. Which, if we look over here, got a coffee table, and you have a sofa, which will turn into a sofa bed. So if you had a mother, father, 2 kids, or a couple with a couple of kids, this would be great for not super expensive. It was only about $140 a night. Not 100% sure because we used points from our credit card to get it, so but we got a pretty good deal on it. Then you actually can see out the windows here at Church Street. Downstairs is Church Street. The market, Charleston City Market's one way, and Cumberland Street is the other way. And I see Kaminsky's Dessert Cafe over there, so we are definitely going to hit that later. So now, let's go upstairs and see what we got up there. So that's the downstairs. So upstairs, we actually go up a set of stairs. So if you need ADA compliant, this is not the place for you. There is a pretty good size closet here. Plenty of hangers. The full bathroom is up here. Light on here. Whew, kind of blew that out, sorry. So you got your sink, toiletries, standard toilet, plenty of towels, fiberglass tub, you know, nothing special, but ooh, you can turn that for like the massage, I bet. You know, decent wood floors, or the laminate floors. This is probably not real wood. So then back out into the bedroom, which is pretty good size. I got you a dresser there, so you got some room. The lamp has a couple of outlets on it and a USB, so you can plug stuff in. Got some artwork, and the air conditioner is actually run off of a thermostat. I always forget thermostat. I don't know why. It's run off a thermostat, so that's good. Wow, big king size bed with a padded headboard. That's nice. Another big dresser over here. And they have cable, obviously from the dish, and a big TV right straight in front of the bed. And another view from up here. Let's see. Up here. This is Church Street or Cumberland. Yeah, decent view here. We loved this hotel as it gave us plenty of room to spread out, have breakfast in our room after a trip to the local Harris Teeter grocery store on East Bay Street, and just chill out on the couch to watch some television after walking around town. Thanks for coming along. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos about Charleston and our other travels.